Alright, good evening, guys. It's my first time again to have a live stream right now. So, the natikiat na request, just comment down. At yan no, sikat sa ko, makiknam nananom, ayon mo'y mangidomdom. Sinansikap ginako at yan no man kunaya pilig ay cuan ko tap intaman asi otap inas chom ya pilikat pianan mangomangoy charan nilus ko inoy sapong iyak chilasan imoy cha inaawan pituon at lagujon ngadan cha ampikaton nan paliw punan tawon insukat nukay sakon. Pianan mangomangoy charan nilus ko inoy sapong iyak chilasan imoy cha inaawan sapong iyak chilasan imoy cha inaawan. Hello to Daniela and of course to Lynn Masalay. Ayan. Nagpasrot kayo ti kakadwa tayo tapno adaganas na agpo-perform na yun niya. All right. Shout out to Daniela, to everyone who's watching right now. Sige, share. Share mo yung wall comment lang. There is fear in all places. The squeeze of life, no place to hide. Only tears can explain how the world is in pain. Hopelessness and misery feels like the seem to be no way. Hunger strikes, severe. If you do not care, who dares to care? All we need is an open palm to heal us one. We are armed with humanity, we fight as one. Moving on to victory, we will start from you and me. Better world should come if we heal as one. Dying people of every day, the world is filled with anxiety. Everyone gives to share, coupled with a little pain. We will come to realize we are the answer. All we need is an open palm, kill is one. We are armed with humanity, fight as one. Moving on to victory, we will start from you and me. A better world to come if we kill as one. All we need is an open palm, the kill as one. We are armed with humanity, we fight as one. Moving on to victory, we will start from you and me. Better world to come if we last one. Hello to Tony's Bike. Hello po. Enjoy lang po. Alright. See. Hey. There's another composed song called Mahal Kita. Aking mahal, sa'yo ako magpapaalam, kahit sa awit lang. Bukas tayo magkikita, ako ay di makakapunta, pagkat ako may lalayo na nagdaramdam sa'yo. Nalaman kong ako'y niloko mo. Bakit naman bigla na lang nagbago ang iyong isipan at ako'y pinalitan? Para bang ako'y sa laruan na pwede mong iwanan pagkatapos pagsawahan? Sa ibang lugar, doon nating malilimutan ang ating kasawian. Sakaling mang maisip na ako'y mahal mo pa rin, ako'y handang magbalik. Sahan mong wala kang kapalit, sahan mo at siyang iniibig. Bakit naman bigla na lang nagbago ang iyong isipan at ako'y pinalitan? Para bang ako'y isang laruan na pwede mong iwanan pagkatapos pagsawahan? Hello, shout out to everyone who's watching right now. Sige, guys, kita tiga kedua yung enjoy the country music. Nihinan Istaji, Kalinga Istaji, hello, how are you? Awisaman na Kalinga ay Daniela. Tapos ni Will TV, awisamot lang. Alright, I'd like to try a song from Arnel Banasan called Manyamanak. Maniyamanak, 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 kan kabunian, taimoyak binindisyunan, manyamanak, maniyamanak, kan amak, maniyamanak, kan inak, taimoyak inianak, sinlubong ulay nalikat, maniyamanak, 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 kan init taimoyak bilbilagon, bigbigat ingganas mastom, manyamanak kan bulan, tainalalawagan, san labi numagikpotan, manyamanak kan bulan, tainalalawagan, manyamanak, 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 manyamanak kan udan, taina sibsibugan, kayo iniyak umilungan, manyamanak kan angin, taimoyak sapsap uyan, no imoyak malingtan, maniyamanak, 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 maniyamanak. Hello, Kalinga Istayji, agawis katiga kadua tayo tapno ka. Naganganas. Request kayo man na po nunya tiket yung mapakanta, tapadasok. Alright, so dati kanta ako. Ko another composition is song over here. Hamping nga na papublish dito yung padasok lang ang kanta. Mababain. Ganun. Sanda mo na ilaka, sakpon maawatan ng rikna, pinutuong malagip ka, piyoksi ka mailila, Jumanon kay Chinmaschom, iyak man tatangad, buyan kituon man chocholik, cita jin man iarigak, sumagan inok sinang, mangipigasin marikrik na, mapainakkan sika, imoy mangipigan. Kanayon kan maabot, mancumukan mapainak, umugyatak man iibkas, amangan mailaw anak, sumagan ninok sina, ulo mo'y mangipigan, mapainakkan sikan, ulo mo'y mangipigan, mapainak kansi ka unun umoy mangipig ka. Alright? Alright, I would like to welcome my Kalinga Stage for coming. Saan ba? Na-on ko lang mo ti ko di monetization. O mo ti makita ka ko. Sige, share lang tan. Okay, I would like to try country over here. The song from Vinyl called Look at Us. See. See. Look at us. After all these years together, look at us. After all that we've been through. Hello, to Charlie Langbay. Mag-awis ka tika doon tayo. Look at us. Still leaning on each other. If you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us. Look at you, still pretty as a picture. Look at me, still crazy over you. Look at us, still believing in forever. If you wanna see how to love should be, then just look at us. In 100 years from now, I know without a doubt they'll all look back and wonder how we made it all work out. Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how to love should be. They'll just look at us. In 100 years from now, I know without a doubt they'll all look back and wonder how we made it all work out. Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how to love should be. They'll just look at us. When they wanna see how love should be, they'll just look at us. Alright, that is a song from Vince Hill Cold. Look at us. Welcome, Tony's Bike. Yan eh. Sige. Pagtyagaan lang yung mga kanta ko, no? Mas as long as we enjoy the night. Hello to Charlie Langbisan. Hello, Idol. Of course, to the friends of Daniela. Sige, tira. Gawis ko iti kadwa tayo itap na nagaganas. Alright. Alright, here's a song from Colin Ray. Wish I could. I wish I could. I wish I could. Looking out the window, see you playing in the leaves. It's amazing how a little girl means all the world to me. Tell you that I loved you more than the words can say. Some might say just pretty please, I wanna take a picture. How do you ever get to be? Gotta take a picture. Hold on to the memory before the whole thing slips away. I wish I could save these moments and put them in a jar. I wish I could stop the world from turning, keep things just the way they are. I wish I could shelter you from everything, not pure and sweet and good. I know I can, I know I can, but I wish I could. When you kiss me for no reason, it goes straight to my heart. When I feel your arms around me, it's almost fall apart. Some of a better whisper that we forget to pray. I wish I could save these moments and put them in a jar. I wish I could stop the world from turning, keep them stitched the way they are. I wish I could shelter you from everything, not pure and sweet and good. I know I can, I know I can, but I wish I could. I know I can, I know I can, but I wish I could. Here's a song from the Lone Star called I'll Die Trying. You've been living way too long in broken promised land. Your dreams crossed and scattered like a million grains of sand. I'd love to be your redemption, but I am just a man. I may never be a hero, But I'm a rock you can lean on. If I don't love you like you deserve, if I don't stop every tear you're crying, if I don't make your life a heaven on this earth, I'll die trying, but I'll die trying. Listen to your secret prayer and share your deepest wish. Search for behind the years just to find the perfect kiss. Of everything within my power, there's nothing I won't give to be the part of you and your life. Oh, that taste what's wrong and make it right. If I don't love you like you deserve, if I don't stop every tear you're crying, if I don't make your life heaven on this earth, but I'll die trying, but I'll die trying. I may never be a hero, but I'm a rock you can lean on. If I don't love you like you deserve, if I don't stop every tear you're crying, if I don't make your life heaven on this earth, but I'll die trying, but I'll die trying. Okay, yung mga nanonood, mag-request lang kayo kung alam ko yung kanta, then I will perform. But kung hindi, palitan na lang natin ng ibang kanta. I'd shout out to everyone. Shout out sa lahat. Alright. Nangyari nga 29. Hello to Pretty Chai. Pretty Chai, Yahoo, yan eh. Oh, sige, patayaban nyo na ta. Here's a song from Colin Ray called One Boy, One Girl. Finally gave in to his friend's girl that she needed someone should be. At a crowded restaurant, fake closed down. She waited impatiently. She walked in there as men. They both stared. It's the night we met, everyone else disappeared. But one boy, one girl, Two hearts beating wildly. Put it mildly, it was love by first sight. But it smiled, smiled. Then you right away. This was the day that I waited for all to life. For a moment the whole world revolved around one boy, one girl. No time at all, they were standing there in the front of a little church. The father of the family and friends, repeating those sacred words. Preacher said, "Son, the gates shone bright, razors pale. It's not we met, time just stood still. With one boy, one girl, two hearts beating wildly. Put it mildly, it was love at first sight. But a smile, then you right away. This was the day that I've waited for all to life. For a moment the whole world revolved around one boy, one girl. Was holding her hand when the doctors took up and grieved. Congratulations, twins. But one boy, one girl, two hearts beating wildly. Put it mildly, that was love at first sight. But a smile, then you right away. This was the day that I've waited for all to life. For a moment the whole world revolved around one boy, one girl. For a moment the whole world revolved around one boy, one girl. Anyway, I would like to say thank you sa nagpalipad. May God bless you more. Sana may magpapalipad pa. Yan. Congrats, Padli. Ayun, oh may pakulay. Sige, Daniela. Donate ka ba Padli Charlie? Hehe. Wala lang. Alright, sa lahat ng mga nanonood right now, okay, shout out to everyone. Hello to Cool and Mom. Music Beats. Alright, thank you. Salamat sa pagbisita. When the snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale comes true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I pray. I will find someone, baby, I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm faithful every day for the gift. Watching us so softly sleep, what I'd give if I could give just this moment, if all the time stood still. But the colors fade away, then the years will make us quick. Baby, in my arms, you'll still be beautiful. All I need is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart. Gave your love away, and I'm faithful every day for the gift. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you for the gift. Alright, here's another song from Colin Ray once again. Thank you, Pards, Charlie. Yeah, many more. Yeah. Alright, it's another song once again from Colin Ray called Not That Different. Kanana. Hello, Kuya Will TV. Watching, idol. Watching you here. Thank you. Okay, guys, kayo pati kakadwa tayo ito ng ganganas. Ay, kanta ko mga MG kwa. Kanta ni Manong Will TV. Compose ng intent na piman kanya to be recorded soon. Yan eh. Kanayo ko nga praktisin dito nga. Denggam. Hehe. Mambibinadang tako kuna na. Ibig sabihin, agtitinulong tayo kuna na. Alright, salamat. Naging 116. DJ ko. Salamat, Jay. Nagpatayab. Sana'y biyag tako nanrabaw di daga at adog kay man san panlasatan na rigat si panabiyagyan aduy problema masapulay sangwem parais nan pamilya latun pa'y didan, adika en matanagan. Wadas kabunyan, adi bumaybayan. man eset ako takuet en makilagbo tawadasan iyat nan awak ay matago man bibil na dang takuya man esesa man tinulong man asibinagbaga ituan takos kustusan iiba taadida kumaan mantungpal silawa da kayo abe ay waday san gobyerno it's the new kuma aben man serbisyo ipatungpal yu amagan yu ti gusto nasaynan ili takuet man progreso apumi ay wadadaya umustong ka umidawat ka si salun at yapigsa tamanes sa kami ya urnos ti mawada kasay naragsak kami si ingana man bibil na dang takuya man esa man tinulong man asibinagbaga ituan takos kustusan ni iba taadida kumaan mantungpal silawan man bibil na dang takuya man esa man tinulong man asibinagbaga ituan takos kustusan iiba taadida kumaan mantungpal silawan taadida kumaan mantungpal silawan. That's a very nice song from Kuya Will TV. Thank you for giving me that song. Yeah, to be recorded yaramidan mi pa iti ko na di music na. I'll shout out to everyone who's writing right now. Salamat Kuya Will TV that song. Si kamot Sir Charlie, baka damat i-compose mo kat mabanin mo nga i-share mo. Okay, adati compose mo lang nga kanta Tagalog song nga compose mo lang into the kanyak. It's called Iba Noon sa Kalinga Ngayon. Iso tinapan mi in shoot tatay to be baka mi upload no rabi no may cable video na. Iba Noon sa Kalinga Ngayon abangan nyo yung music video niya. Pero kakantayin ko with acoustic right now. Mula tinglayan patungong lugwakan umakyat sa pasilat balbalan Tabuk City, Rizal, Pinokopok at Tanudan ang tribong aking kinabibilangan. Sayaw namin ay iisa, ang umikot at pinapalo hanggang sa salid-sid, salip, tatsok at tupaya, ang tawag sa sayaw naming ikalinga. Ang awit namin ay iba-iba, ngunit ang mensahe nito'y iisa. Ulalim o gayam sa lidumay at iba pa ang sinasambit habang kami kumakanta. Ang sayaw namin ay iisa, ang umikot at pinapalo hanggang sa salid-sid, salip, tatsok at tupaya, ang tawag sa sayaw naming ikalinga. Iba noon sa kalinga ngayon, kaibigan, halina't manood makisaya. Iba noon sa kalinga ngayon, kaibigan, halina't manood makisaya. Iba noon sa kalinga ngayon, iba noon sa kalinga noon. That's our new song for this moment. Saka susunod na yung Apu ang Od, yung title niya. Soon, abangan. Alright, mag-request lang kayo kung anong gusto nyong kanta and then I will try to perform, okay? Anyway, thank you for lending me your ears, your eyes for my songs. Alright, I would like to try Pa-jacket. Anya ba di ay gayam? Ako din nga term. And I would like to try Kalinga Lagunawa country version. It's a very popular song here in Kalinga called the Kalinga Lagunawa. Manigaw scout Kalinga, Kalinga Lagunawa, mampipintas kan mampapangog tya, man kakosol kan madiskarte tya. Impapati tya una di eskwela, ta siya impiling tya amakan ina. Ilam kay nanan panigan tya, awelo saan kiwa tya. Papangadami at kalingka, lusan iwariyan, ipikan, kalingka Laguna respetuon tako Lasam tija Awain na sa nangugayam kan sisiliun Nangipig ka Naitpun kanupulos natay nan makapintas un kailyan Sana punin tiktikam mo Kalingkaong lakunawaw Mapoyakan nan dinateja Kain karigataan siya na diskwela Papangadami at kalingka Dosan niwarian nipig ka Kalingka lakunawaw respetuon tako Lasam jijan Ajuator ni kanca doktora mas at junior sa kanca mistala engineer japay kanca adonia jan ujum kait armalite dan patut cha Isa ka ba at kuminga-kinga Di sampun nutik di kamu cica Nagunawaw ni kalingka Nampipintas ka respetado siya Papangadami at kalingka Dosan iwarian nipig ka Kalingka lakunawaw respetuon tako Lasam jijan Papangat umiut kalingka Dosan iwarian nipig ka Kalingka lakunawaw respetuon tako Lasam jijan Respetuon tako Lasam jijan Alright, that's Kalinga song over here Kalinga Lagunawa Alright, I would like to say good evening to everyone to Gandang Honey's Kitchen. Tamsak Tanahos. Thank you for joining. Salamat sa pagpunta. God bless. All right, to those, I would like to say belated Happy Valentine's to everyone. Okay, I would like to try a song over here called My Valentine. Kung may mga kadate kayo, I would like to try this song dedicated to you. My Valentine. There were no words, no way to speak. I would still hear you. There are no tears, no way to feel inside. I'd still feel for you. And even if that sun appears to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme, you would still have my heart until the end of time. Roll, I need my love, my Valentine. All of my life I've been waiting for all you gave to me. You opened my eyes and showed me how to love unselfishly. I dream of this 1,000 times before. In my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. Through all I need my love, my Valentine. La 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 la. I dream of this 1,000 times before. In my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. You're all I need, it's you, my Valentine. Alright, belated happy Valentine's to everyone. Shout out to all. Of course, to Gandang Honey, of course, to everyone. Alright, here's another love song over here called Just an Ordinary Song. Okay. Just an ordinary song. Special girl like you. I'm a simple guy, but still in love with you, girl. I may not have much to show, but I am no goal. The limousine to take you where you go. If you ever find yourself tired of all the games you played, and the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to say that sometimes please let I'm near to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song. A special girl like you. I'm a simple guy, but so in love with you, girl. I don't even have the looks to make you dance my way. The clothes I wear made it seem so absurd. Deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I'm doing. All the tears we've shed, it's true. Till I'm waiting here for you. If you have times, just let I'm near to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song. A special girl like you, my simple kind with serene love reach you. Alright, shout out to all, sabi ni Charlie lang minsan. Yan eh. Hello to DM Vasquez. Hello, thank you for coming. Yan eh. Okay. Anyway, here is another song from Colin Ray Colin, This Life. We're all having less within this life. There was an emptiness to me. Thank you. Was imprisoned by the power of God. When harness touched you, set me free. Let the world stop turning, let the silence burning, and I'm saying love that's burning, going through. If it all falls apart, I'm in love deep in my heart. The only real that's mattered had comes through in this life, but I was loved by you. Hello to Christine Joy, thank you for coming. Every mountain I had climbed, for every raging river goes. Hello to Erwin Jones Tipalog. You birth rescue that I long to fight. Without your love I will be lost. Let the world stop turning, let the silence burning, and I'm saying love that's burning, going through. If it all falls apart, I'm in love deep in my heart. The only real that's mattered had comes through. But in this life, but I was loved by you. In this life, but I was loved by you. Hello to Christine Joy. Arangorin, yes, salamat sa pagpunta. Hello to Divine Soldier. 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 To Beng Carbonell also. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat sa pagpapunta. I would like to try another song over here. Yeah, okay. Pagtyagaan nyo lang yung mga kanta ko, no? Alright, I would like to bring a song from Brian White. We waited it was over. Now the lights have all been drawn. The vows we made begin to fade, but now they're gone. Put your picture in a shoebox and my gold ring in a drawer. I'm not supposed to love you anymore. The sheriff says to tell us of the freedom that I found. If she would be out on the town. And she says she can't imagine what's on earth I'm waiting for. But I'm not supposed to love you anymore. Oh, I shouldn't care what and how you are. Yet I can't hide this hurt inside my broken heart. I'm fighting back emotions that I've never thought before. 'Cause I'm not supposed to love you anymore. Now I'm writing you this letter, and it's killing me tonight that I agreed and to believe it wasn't right. I get stood asleep up on the bed, so I'm there down on the floor. But I'm not supposed to love you anymore. Oh, I shouldn't care what and how you are. And I can hide this hurt inside my broken heart. I'm fighting back emotions that I've never thought before. 'Cause I'm not supposed to love you anymore. I'm fighting back emotions that I've never thought before. 'Cause I'm not supposed to love you anymore. Imposible naman na wala kayong ka-Valentino. Baka marami. Thank you, Beng Carbonell. Of course, yan naman talaga ang purpose ko. Kung bakit may mga live stream tayo si Facebook and YouTube. Just to entertain. Lalo na yung mga napapagod, busy sa kanilang mga work, 55 time, free time kasi. Anyway, shout out to everyone. Here's another song from Roddy Travis Cole, I Told You So. Yes. Sorry sa mga na-disturbo. Baka naano na yung tulog nyo dyan. So you so. Wait lang guys. Suppose I call you up tonight and told you that I love you. And suppose I said I wanna come back home. And suppose I cried and said I think I finally learned my lesson. And I'm tired of spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realized you're all I ever wanted, and it's killing me to be so far away, would you tell me that you love me too? And would we cry together? Would you simply laugh at me and say, I told you so, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take the win. I told you so, but you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. If I got down on my knees and told you I was yours forever, would you get on yours too and take my hand? Would we get that awesome feeling? Would we laugh and talk for hours, the way we did when our love first began? Would you tell me that you miss me too, and that you've been so lonely, and I've been waiting for the day that I return, and we'd live a love forever, and that I'm your one and only? Would you say the table's finally turned? Would you say I told you so, I told you so? I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take the win. I told you so, but you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. Hindi naman magaling, marunong lang na kumanta. Ayan, pakantahin nyo. Pwedeng mag-guest na Charlie Gumabay at saka si Kuya Will TV. Ayan, mga gagaling na kumakanta. Ayan. Hello to Divine Soldier. Alright, here's another song from Dunsil's called One Friend. Not naman amazing. Maliit lang na bagay yan, ma'am. Alright. One Friend. Always told you were the best. Guess he always will. Always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me, who knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, believe without a doubt. But I could move the mountain, someone would tell the truth. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Cause when we were together, that made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Alright, another song from Don Sills. Parang nasa bar tayo, no? May miss ko lang mag-work sa bar. Eh, wala eh. Close lahat ng mga bar, kaya walang pagkakitaan ngayon. Okay, here's another song from Don Sills called Everything That Glitters Is Not Gold. Alright, dedicated to everyone. Sa lahat ng hindi country lovers, just bear with me. See the picture on the poster, the carving out of Phoenix. Guess you're still the sweetheart of the rodeo. As for me, little hazy, we still make the circuit. One home's later when the mobile home. Still asking about you all the time. And I guess we never cross your mind at all. But all sometimes I think about you, the way we used to ride out either on destiny you seekings with the sunlight on your hair, but all the crowd will always love you. As for me, I've come to know everything that leaders do is not gold. Well, when it's getting older, and the Saturday it's tumble, but you know just can't bear to let him go. Little gate is still growing, and she started asking questions, and certain things a man just doesn't know. A bird that came and never even called her, and then it's never crossed your mind at all. But all sometimes I think about you, the way we used to ride out either on destiny secrets with the sunlight on the hair, but all the crowd will always love you. As for me, I've come to know everything that leaders do is let go. Everybody said he'll make it big someday, but I guess that we were only on your way. But someday I'm sure you gotta know the cost of. 'Cause for everything you win, there's something lost. But I sometimes I think about you, the way we used to ride out the mountains and needed secrets. Needed sunlight on the hair, but all the crowd will always love you. As for me, I've come to know everything that leaders do is let go. Oh, everything that leaders do is let go. Alright, sino naman nagre-request dito? Sige, just tell me the title and I will try to song asing. Alright. Mag-guest kayo Charlie at Kuya Will TV next. Available ako lagi. Bali, host na invite ka ni Ma'am Beng Carmonel na mag-guest sa TSK Yahoo. Sure. No problem. Just tell me when. Hello to Provincianong Ambisyoso. Late ka. Ayan. Anyway, thank you for coming. Ito muna ang gamitin ko kay Kuya Will. Alright, salamat sa... Alright, Ma'am Carbonell, just inform me when. Salamat sa palipad. Alright, maraming kulay-kulay nyo. Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much. Ay, Ninja ni Kuya Will TV. Thank you, Ninja. Ninja Van. Ano yung request niyo, Ma'am Christine Joy? Sige, pakisabi para tignan natin. I'd like to try a song over here from Tagalog song called by Freddie Aguilar. Yung mga alam ko lang na mga kanta. Okay, let's just inform me when. Okay, love remain daw sabi ni Ma'am Joy. Sige, try natin. From Colin Way. Ayan. Salamat sa gift, Ma'am Carbonell. Alright, here's another song from Colin Way called Love Remain. May love remains into your heart always. Yan eh. We are born one fine day, children of God on our way. Mama smiles, Daddy cries, miracle for the rise. They protect us to wear wrong things. Through it all, love remains. Boom song takes it right. She stands faithful by its side. Tears and sweat, they build a home and raise a family of their own. They share joy, they share pain. Through it all, love remains. Kingdoms come and go, but they don't last. Before you know, the future is the past. In spite of what's been lost and what's been gained, we will live in proof that love remains. But I don't know, maybe what I'll do on this earth without you. We all live, we all die, by the end it's not good. see some change. It's through it all. Love me. Burning flames. Oh, lives on. Love remains. Another song from Colin Ray. Sambukan ko yung stock. Ano yung stock ko yung sinasabi ni Ma'am kanina? Welcome. Sana nag-request sa kantang yun. Stock, I would like to try this number. Stock on you. Wala. Anyway, sa susunod na lang. Original scene na lang. Oh, it's carnival night. The screen, the lights around you. Hugging paper angels, painting little devils on the roof. The furnace flame is a flicker of waves about your face. In a cloud of pieces, it smells like heaven in this place. I can't eat, can't sleep, still I hunger for you when you look at me. That face, those eyes, all the simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the reason means of getting in underneath my skin. Would you earn always my original sin? Tell me why you shut up inside every time we begin this dangerous game. Would you hurt always my original sin? We were flying the moment that you opened up your eyes. The brain is just a rhythm, was from every corner of your life. Up in the balcony, older me is pleading for your hand. Blowing cigarette kisses, beside the lights they don't understand. I can't eat, can't sleep, still I hunger for you. And you look at me with face, those eyes, all the simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now vision means of getting in underneath my skin. For you were always my original sin. Tell me why I shut up inside every time we begin this dangerous game. Would you were always my original sin? Ano yung request ni Ma'am dito? Here's my song request in Your Eyes by George Benson. Parang i-assignment ko yan. Siguro maybe bukas, the same time. My first time, tinesting ko lang mag-live. Hindi ko yata kabisado yung kanta na yan pa. Anyway, it's my assignment. I'm sure I will sing that song soon. And I would like to do my final song because it's only 1 hour and 41 minutes. Medyo rest ko muna saglit tong boses. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me this time. Of course, to all who viewed this live stream. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Alright, I would like to do my last song over here. An old song over here from John Denver. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest, like a mountains in springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean. You fill up my senses. Come fill me again. Come let me love you. Let me give my life for you. And be drowned in your laughter. Let me die in your arms. Let me lay down beside you. Let me always be with you. Come, let me love you. Come, love me again. Do, 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 do. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest, like a mountains in springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the desert, like sleepy blue ocean. You fill up my senses. Come fill me again. Alright, thank you very much. Have a blessed evening to everyone. Bukas ulit. the same time, the same place. Alright, thank you very much. Sa mga nag-request, sa mga nagpalipad, God bless you all.